Sa mga plaka naman, we updated the President as far as supply is concerned, we have more than enough. In terms of motor vehicle, ang ating inaayos lang po, and the President was very clear on this, we have to be very strict with our dealers. No? Nakikita po natin na some of our plates na i-imbak lang po sa mga dealer, hindi po nang pamimigay sa mga motorista. No? So we agreed, we met with the dealers and we agreed that from the time magbayad po ang isang tao, bumili ng sasakyan, within 11 days, dapat yung plaka, yung ORCR at yung RFID sticker mapasa kanya na. So there's no reason why this will not happen. And to this effect, today we issued around over 100 show cause orders to dealers, no, to explain bakit hindi nila nabigay yung mga plaka sa ating mga motorista. And we will continue to discipline our ranks. No? Kasama rin yung mga LTO na who will not comply with the 5-day requirement. Ang amin naman commitment sa ating mga dealer, pag-submit nyo sa amin ng mga dokumento nyo, within 5 days, kailangan ilabas po namin yung plaka, ORCR at RFID. So yan po ang aming inaayos so that by July 1, lahat po ng mga motor vehicles po natin na bumili ng kanilang mga plaka, dapat nasa kanya na mga plaka nila. Bumili ng mga sasakyan, dapat nasa kanya na yung mga plaka po nila. Especially those who bought their vehicles in 2022, 2023, and 2024. There is no reason, no, na hindi dapat nila makuha yung plaka po nila. And so by end of this year, pati po yung mga replacement plates, no, yung mga dating kulay green na plaka na pinapalitan ng black and white plates, kailangan mapalitan na rin namin yan, no? By the end of this year. That's around 1.5 million plates. No? Kaya ho ng ating planta i-cover yan. So by end of 2024, wala na ho tayong backlog as far as current usage is concerned and as far as replacement plates are concerned for motor vehicles. Ang magkakaproblema lang ho tayo si motorsiklo. Kasi ang motorcycle, ang kahirapan po dyan when the PBBM administration came in, may backlog na po yan ng mga humigit kumulang 11 million. Carry over ho to for the last from 2014 onwards, no. So we're now catching up, doing a catch up on this, no. But we have a program of how to move this forward. By end of 2024, we would have addressed more or less 50% of the backlog. By June 2025, we would have finished the backlog as far as motorcycles are concerned. Ang kagandahan dito, side by side with addressing the backlog, we are addressing the current demand. Para sa ganun, yung mga bumibili po ng motosiklo, ng sasakyan today, yung 11-day period po natin, kailangan masunod po yun. There is no reason why they will not be able to get their plates on time.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.